Hi guys, so this is analysis update on DXY guys. What am I expecting on DXY? So I'm gonna do a top-down analysis on DXY. So as we can see right here, this is the monthly time frame right here, and we can see that we have been bearish, right? We've been seeing that this counter trend line was broken by this candlestick right here, and it's giving momentum of sell. So there is that possibility that overall the XY is going to fall, right? There is that possibility as well. And even you can see right here that this is also forming the double top, which we know as a reversal charts pattern, right? And that means that me also shows that the market can continue to push to the downside. Remember, this is a monthly time frame and the candlestick hasn't closed yet. So if this candlestick still close similar to how it looks like right now, then there is higher chance that the dollar index is gonna fall really hard. So at least around 100, right? That's the first TP area, right? And the second TP area will be around this trend line right here, which is around 96.5, around that area right here. Like I said, this is a monthly time frame, so we have to be a little bit patient, right? And I am an intraday trader, so this just shows like the overall of the, but that doesn't mean that I can't get trade in between based on the fact of that I am an intraday trader and not a swing or a positional trader. So now let's go to my weekly time frame and see what the market is doing. Right here, I can draw a zone right here, a trend line right here, just to indicate that the market is in a sort of like a downtrend. So we can see based on my previous analysis right here, I have this impulse correction rejected around the 78.6% fib level right here before tanking to the downside. It's our first TP area, which you know TP1 is mostly 27% negative, and it's currently around my second TP area, which is negative 61.8% fib level, around that area right there. So let's see, let me go to my daily time frame and see. We can see that the market right around this area right here is showing the down move. I'm gonna draw another trend line right here from here to here, just to show that the market is on a down move. As we all know that if you've been watching my analysis, where the price is currently at, which is negative 61.8% fib level, is a reversal zone of the fib, right? Which shows there's a possibility of a reversal to somewhat push to the upside, right? That's a possibility. And we can see right here that the market is currently giving us a sort of like the W pattern, which you know the W pattern is a reversal pattern. So there is that possibility of it actually sort of like pushing to the upside a little bit to get to this trend line right here to give us a possible touch of the trend line, right? And also to retest the um, zone. You can see that we had this previous breakout structure right here with this bear candlestick, and it hasn't retested yet, and we can see that also aligns um, with this trend line as well. So there is that possibility of a candlestick coming here right here to retest the trend line, right? Give us the touch of the trend line, retest the zone that was broken, then we might continue to push to the downside, right? That's a possibility we are saying. So let's go to, let's see, that's what we are saying. So right now, just to be safe, I'm gonna draw a mini zone right here, just to indicate that as long as we are above this trailer right here, it just makes sense for us to buy, right, rather than a sell. So let's draw a zone here as well, just to show that this is a zone is valid, right, around this area right here. So we can see right here, so to be safe for a sell, right, I want at least the sell to continue, break the zone right here, give us a break of structure right here, retest, give us the lower high for us to know that it will continue to trend to the downside. That's what I'm saying. But as of right now, like I said, because of the area we are in, based on my prior explanation, we might continue to sort of push up around this area right here before tanking to the downside. That's a possibility, right? So let's see, we have this imbalance right here. So we can see right here that we have an imbalance around this area right here that needs to be filled, that hasn't been filled yet. So it just makes sense for us to actually have that as the next target if we continue to push to the downside. So let's go back to uh, show right here. Right, that would be a perfect TP area for a down sell move. Let's go to my, okay, so